Very warm welcome, dear friends. Welcome to my channel. My name is Sridhar Iyer, and I'm basically an instructor. I teach subjects from the world of computer engineering and information technology and allied branches. So, this is going to be the first course on this fairly complex kind of a subject where I would be discussing about what exactly is theory of computation, what are its applications, and how to solve different problems from this particular subject. This is a very core subject which you should know if you are from the comms or IT background, which will definitely help you prepare for the various competitive exams. To name a few, the GATE exam, BITS Pilani exam, and many other such competitive exams. It will also lay the foundation for you to crack interviews, technical interviews, where many questions are being asked from this particular subject called automata theory or theory of computation, which goes by different names. If you refer the various syllabi from the comms or IT disciplines, you will find a subject with this name called as automata theory or theory of computation, compiler design, etc. etc. So in this particular playlist, I would be talking about the various concepts, and I will also take the problems associated with those particular concepts. So you would be able to understand the concepts and also solve problems based on those particular concepts. So this is going to be the first playlist in this revamping process that I'm doing to my channel. I would be coming up with many more new courses and many more interesting subjects for you. Without wasting much time, let's get started with the very first video of this playlist. So see you there on the other side of this video. Thank you so much.